finally one potato garden wow like this is our harvest. Going to eat the first ever home grown
After
potato.
ages, maybe okay.
What is it?
Wow, thank you. For me?
Yeah.
Blue, I love you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a very interesting video because today we will be harvesting our potatoes, which we've been growing for almost 4 or 5 months, I think. So yes, really excited. We're also going to make something special, so I hope you stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get started with our video, let's do a quick skincare routine. If you are someone who have multiple skin concerns like hyperpigmentation, melasma and acne marks, and is tired of applying multiple skincare products and wishing there is single products that could fight all your pigmentation concerns, then we finally have one. This is the new Transilic Pigmentation Corrector Serum by the Derma Co, which harness the power of two actives, that is 3% tranexamic acid and 10% azelaic acid. This serum blends the potent skin brightening properties of tranexamic acid with the gentle yet powerful effect of azelaic acid, delivering a transformative solution for even the most stubborn skin concerns. This tranexamic acid is renowned for its skin brightening properties, effectively reducing hyperpigmentation and melasma by inhibiting melanin production, and the azelaic acid, a gentle exfoliant, targets blemishes, minimizes redness and acne marks, giving you a clearer, smooth, even skin tone. Plus, alpha-arbutin controls melanin production, brightening your complexion. Add this to your skincare routine and watch your skin become visibly radiant. You can follow it up with a sun protection of up to 6 hours with the Derma Co 1% hyaluronic long-lasting sunscreen. Now you can forget the hassle of reapplying sunscreen every after 2 hours. This long-lasting sunscreen with power of SPF 50 PA4+ is one of the first sunscreen in India to provide such extended protection for 6 hours. What makes it even better is that it is super lightweight sunscreen and is both sweat, water resistant and leaves no white cast. It is also infused with hyaluronic acid, and this sunscreen deeply hydrates your skin, keeping dryness at bay, making 1% hyaluronic long-lasting your sunscreen SPF partner for life. So guys, this is my final look. If you are also willing to give this product a try, then you can also use my coupon code, that is LOLO2024, to get 20% off at the Derma Co website. They're also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and Flipkart. The Derma Co has also empowered 1,500 plus students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. So every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they will help educate along with Pumi. And also all the Derma Co products are fragrance free, so you can give it a try and let me know in the comment section as well. So now let's get started with our today's vlog. So finally today is the day. I've been waiting for the weather to come down because it was raining the whole time. So we are finally going to harvest. It's already evening, the sun is down, but aji the aloo sabji khawa we nahi the hai. Let's see. I plan to harvest only after the sun goes down because I'm planning to yetedo around mirja thali bola pabi ase yete mirja ekta duita la ase yetedo mirja thali hogane man rati evening de harvest kuri ase moi. nang. Alu dia. Mohangi potato garden wow like she. From tomorrow onwards, I will be going for almost a week for training. So time hi nai. Aro shopping muri jaise na. तो अच्छी तो पोटैटो सब्जी बनाई ना खिला होले से नॉट सब्जी पोटैटो लगा बड़ा कभी किसी को वो जैसा पोटैटो ना जाने किसी को किस तरह बनाई ना खिला होले से किसी को इधर तो ना पड़े ना कोई 그래도 상어랑 맛이다. 쓰서란노. 그랬어. 알루 쇼리잖아. 와, 비겠어. 보다도. More coming up. Ooh, wow. Ooh, wow, wow, very big. See. More go sabina. Fishi에서 이래. 얘들아, 칠리 달리고 칠리나. Ako bis. Anong raja hatsa sila manang pini sila hindi tarik ti mabuy juga tanang it's already late but I got one full basket for small kitchen garden. Is our harvest. All like this year we're gonna make itu cucu hamna alu singaran parata na kiese kyo la wo try to do that. Nice, huh? Yeah. Wow. So good. So nice. So nice and so good. Ito kani pakai na kai le ko. Hoy, dibi ekta utu machihan banai na na. Wow. Tiga. Tea and Janam's party is also going on. So these are the masalas that I have. You can also add any kind of masala and half fry it. We have haldi here, jeera, a little bit of dhania powder, garam masala. We have a guest over. And this is garam masala. And this is biryani masala. Some black pepper as well, black pepper. And this is already fried garlic. panay na na. Makan na. Ito masala. Di masala this ka?
Chila.
Oh
yes, like this.
The whole loaf that I got yesterday, you can also make your own breadcrumbs like this. Yeah, there's all the ladies in the house going to eat the first ever home grown
After
potato.
ages, maybe. Okay.
What is it? 4.6.
Already ba? Mawala from the job. Comes later.
Muy half fry koyu dish to ginger garlic. You can also do that if you want to save time. So first we're gonna make a ball. Dip it in the fresh breadcrumbs. Like this. Dip it inside the egg. And you can we have this aloo bhaji. So moi ek tinta demo ban ai na dikhai she. We have too many people today. So this is our first batch. Khai sabida aloo paratha.
Mang gurum do.
Ini बनाए से ना first page time pass ना hour kan की खिलाओ hour खाई सभी time pass local आलू garden बाव लाइसे दो कावी और second batch wait palas na hour kan
Critics make very good comments.
critical
Too good. Jadi lalu tu mesti berat tu dia.
second batch wow hey Jesse good morning everyone yati kali ko khate se muja khali ho kali alu olai lishe from here. So finally our chili plantation is done. I'm so happy because it's raining today. Yeah, rain gora time de thala bishi bhal ase. And hey, my heli. Aro du shem doing ya bal bal lai ase. The trellises type, handmade trellises bana garne. And somebody told me that this is not called vertical farming, but it's called staking. So I will also consider that because vertical farming do alag ekta thake aro, but as I'm growing it vertically, I just thought even this can be considered as vertical. So the one wishes, so this is called stocking of vegetables. So you can also grow your tomatoes like this. I'm happy because they're already getting lots and lots of tomatoes, and we will be depending on this summer. And even chilies also I have planted quite a lot, so hopefully we will have a bountiful harvest. If you do not sow them, what will you harvest? So I'm hoping for a bountiful harvest this year. And also let me give you a quick tour. 18 by inia hui jai jungle hui jai. This is our brinjal hambi man phaba ulai ase. Can you see the growth? Since this is a barren land, this is a virgin land, we have not planted anything. This is our first year of planting after years and years of rearing pigs. So look at the veggies, so plenty. And even the carrots, look at the carrot, so healthy. So guys, that is our garden update for today. And starting from today, I have a draining office la kam draining ase. So that is also another reason why I was not very much active. Thank you all for tuning in, and also keep supporting. Hopefully this summer, maybe one lucky winner will also get my fresh veggies along with pickle. So stay tuned and keep supporting. So yes, I'm really happy, and also I am planning to do some giveaway on my Instagram page. So if you follow me on my Instagram page, you can also get the update, especially for the mothers, because I see that a lot of the mothers support my channel, and it's time to give back, especially to all of the mothers who supports my channel. I mean, youths can be wishi support kore, but I want to make it special. Since I couldn't do any giveaway during the Mother's Day, I will be sending some few products, some of my pickles, and hopefully Moila Harvest can be by Shigulero. I will also try to send that in a good packaging. And yeah, it will be all over Nagaland, so you can stay tuned on my Instagram page. And yes, that is all for today. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys again with another video. Bye guys. Tony kaya na lang.
Wow, thank you. For me?
Yeah.
Blue, I love you.
Look at that.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hi, hello.
Hello.
Operation mein
My
ho.
sister. Oh, okay.
Come.
They're outside.
Come and decide. Fall in inside.
I'll call them.
Where?
Hi.
Hello, how are you, beautiful ladies? So good. Hello.
Kim dong mada.
Oh, hello. Looking like set engineering. Yes, looking like. Hello, brother. How are you, handsome brother? Oh, bhai, yaar,